Imagine wearing a dress made of sunshine and flowers. This floral A-line dress is light, flowy, and perfect for twirling. It has cute puffed sleeves and a tiny Peter Pan collar, like something out of a fairy tale. Would you wear this for a tea party with your favorite teddy bear? Swish, swish, swish. Look at this ruffled hem skirt go. It's bouncy, twirly, and oh so fun to wear. Perfect for dancing, playing, and looking super fancy all day long. What color would you pick for your swirly skirt? Tell us in the comments. This is the perfect blouse for a little fashion queen. The button-up design is so chic, and you can even add a little bow for extra cuteness. Wear it with a skirt for a fancy look, or with jeans for a cool, casual vibe. Would you wear this to a birthday party? Who loves pockets? These denim overalls have big pockets for all your tiny treasures. Stickers, candy, even secret notes. They're comfy, stylish, and perfect for running, jumping, and playing. What's the coolest thing you'd keep in your pocket? This dress is like a summer breeze. Light, breezy, and twirly, the tiered sundress has pretty layers that dance when you move. Perfect for warm days, ice cream dates, and running through fields of flowers. Would you wear this to the beach? So snuggly. This hoodie is soft, warm, and perfect for chilly days. Wear it with leggings, jeans, or even over your pajamas for extra coziness. And guess what? It even has a front pocket to keep your hands warm. If you could design your own hoodie, what color would it be? Want to run fast, jump high, and feel like a sporty superstar? These pleated shorts are just what you need. They're cute, comfy, and perfect for playing outside. Pair them with a t-shirt, a sweater, or even a fancy blouse for a stylish look. What's your favorite game to play outside? Wow, so many fun and fabulous outfits. Which one is your favorite? The twirly dress, the cozy hoodie, or the cool denim overalls? Tell us in the comments. Fashion is all about having fun, being you, and shining like the little superstar you are. See you next time for more fashion magic. Bye-bye, little fashionistas.